Thousands of miles from home, Indian men and women stand beneath the iconic blue helmets. Their mission? To be architects of peace in some of the most volatile lands around the globe. Welcome to the story of India's remarkable legacy in UN peacekeeping. For decades, India has sent its finest to serve under the blue flag of the United Nations, dating back to its participation in the UN operation in Korea in 1953. Since then, India has sent over 290,000 peacekeepers to more than 50 missions worldwide, making it the largest contributor to UN peacekeeping efforts. Beyond deployments, India actively helps host nations by offering training, infrastructure development, and civil-military coordination programs. To ensure the efficiency and sustainability of its contingents in UN missions, India deploys state-of-the-art indigenously manufactured equipment and vehicles with its peacekeeping contingent. These equipment and vehicles have proven their resilience in the toughest terrains, harshest climates, and most challenging operational conditions. India has also been a trailblazer in integrating women into UN peacekeeping operations. In 2007, India deployed the first ever all-female Found Police unit to Liberia. In this noble pursuit, nearly 180 Indian peacekeepers have made the ultimate sacrifice by laying their lives in the line of duty. Some of them have been posthumously awarded UN's highest peacekeeping honor, the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal. Today, over 5,000 Indian troops are deployed in 9 of the 11 active missions, often serving in some of the most physically demanding and harshest environments. India's commitment to non-violence, also enshrined in its philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, aligns with the UN's approach of promoting global peace. India continues to illuminate the path towards a more peaceful and secure world, inspiring the global community with its unwavering dedication. Stay tuned for more such stories of Bharat by MIB.